Welcome to Mumtaz Girls High School, Class
3.
4th.
Hope
Hope
you
you all
all
will
will
fine.
find.
Today we are going to learn about adverb that describes an action word. Here is an example. I ate my dinner quickly. Here quickly tells us how the action happens. That is quickly describes the action word ate. Another example, Sam sees many puppies outside. In this example, outside tells us where the action happens. That is outside describes the action word sees. There is one more example. My father came home early. In this example, early tells us when the action happens. That is, early describes the action word came. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Remember it? An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells how, where, and or when an action happens. The words daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. are the example of adverbs. And adverbs never describes a noun or a pronoun. Remember, adverbs describe verbs, adjectives describe nouns, and adverb never describes a noun. So we will meet in next lecture, inshallah.